Good afternoon, everybody. I am actually recording this on a Sunday afternoon. I just got down to my office. Wanted to kind of just put this video out there for a couple different reasons. It's actually in 3 parts. So I am recording this on Sunday afternoon, and it is on July 12th, and I plan on, as soon as I'm done recording this, I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to export it, and I'm going to upload it to YouTube, and I'm going to put it up there. Like I said, this is in 3 parts. Part 1 is going to be a thank you to everybody that is a loyal subscriber, a loyal follower, people that constantly watch me. I greatly appreciate it. Cannot thank everybody enough, seriously, from like the bottom of my heart. Like I would not be I would not be doing what I'm doing if it wasn't for everybody that tuned into my channel. And don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. Part 2 and 3 are kind of interesting. But I just wanted to say thank you guys, and it means a lot to me that you guys have been so supportive. And I learn every single day. I learn from reading comments, I learn from constructive criticism, I learn from my peers, colleagues, friends, whatever you want to call them. I learn from everybody every single day, and it's been it's been an interesting journey so far, and it's only going to get more interesting. That's part 1. Part 2 is an apology. I released a video recently, I want to say it was 3 days ago. It was Thursday, today's Sunday, and it was a tour. I've been trying to get back into releasing at least 1 tour per week. I took a few weeks off during all the situations that happened. I'm back into doing tours. That's I'm reaching out to more people. I was really focused for a couple weeks on getting my van done and van sold. Now I can go back to focusing on this, as well as my next moves, which is actually part 3. But part 2 is an apology because I released a video on Thursday, and unfortunately there was a privacy claim made against me. I am dealing with it from a different angle, but to just get it out there to everybody, I actually do have a legal document right here in this folder, and it is a video release form that I have signed and dated. I got a privacy claim against me, and to play nice, I just took the entire video down. I was given 48 hours to either edit out the privacy claim or take the video down, and I decided to take the video down because the privacy claim was actually stating that I was invading a home, like your personal property, and that was the entire video. So for the 50,000 people that did watch it, I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed it. It got very good comments. It was one of the most beautiful vans that I've seen. It was a van that Nomadic Customs built. And again, there was legal documentation showing that we are allowed to film it. The owner of the van was not happy with the situation. I've actually since talked to the owner. We've actually worked out, but the claim was still made. And I have to now jump through a couple different hoops to make sure that I play by the rules. And the rules were played. It's just I have to do things on my back end, and that doesn't really concern any of you guys. So the part 2 is more of an apology to everybody, the people that didn't get to see that tour yet. I hope to re-upload it at some point after I talk to that owner some more. But it is what it is, and it's upsetting to me because I got to show off, number 1, a fantastic van build. Number 2, I was promoting a business that does really good van builds. You know, I love what I do, so it was disheartening to me. So there's nothing I can do now except I just deleted the video late last night. It was like I said, it was pretty heartbreaking for me. Part 3 is actually a apology as well. I feel like recently I have been playing The Boy That Cries Wolf, if you guys are familiar with that story. I don't want to be that person. I feel like I've been giving you guys empty promises, and that discourages me. That upsets me. So instead of telling all of you all of my plans, you know, I'm going to be doing this, I'm just going to start doing them, and I'm going to put them out on the video. So, you know, whenever Ghost 3 does happen, boom, you guys will see it. I'm not going to be like, hey, in a month, Ghost 3 is happening. I can't give you those promises because I don't know. There's so much things up in the air right now. Right now, I'm planning out everything. I'm planning out my brand. I'm planning out my comedy. I'm planning out my merch because I'm changing up my merchandise. I'm planning out an ebook. I'm planning all this stuff out. I don't know when it's all gonna happen. And the point of part 3 of this video is I'm sorry that I can't give you guys better timelines because I don't know. There's only one person working for me, and that's me. I do all my own tours. I do all my own vlogs. I should actually take that back. I don't do all my work. I do have an editor that helps me edit. Not every video, but he does help me edit. He was helping me a lot, and I can't actually wait to bring him back. He does a fantastic job, and I actually really, really like my editor a lot. So you guys will see a lot more of his edits in the very, very near future. Whatever, that's neither here nor there. I can tell you guys my ideas. I can tell you that I want to do this container home. I can tell you that whatever, like a tiny home living situation, I can tell you all this thing, but I don't want to say something and then not come through and then do something else, and you guys are going to be like, well, I thought you were going to do this. I feel like that's been happening a lot, and I'm sorry. I really am. So what I can tell you is I plan on doing my videos that I do pretty consistently. I want to go back to doing, 2 videos a week plus a live stream, maybe 3 videos a week. I love doing informational van life videos. I definitely plan on doing way more of that. I plan on having professionals that are in the business of either van building or tiny home living. I'm going to have conversations with them. I'm going to be interviewing them vlog style. I'm going to be vamping up my tours. That much I can tell you. I'm going to be adventuring more, adventure vlogging. That much more I can tell you. If you guys notice, now I have playlists on my YouTube channel that are kind of broken down pretty easily. I have like a vlog that's more fun and enjoyable, adventure, whatever, like my personal lifestyle, and then I have informational vlog, and then I have tours, and then I have like a build series on my last van. I do have all these plans and ideas, but I don't want to be saying that. I feel terrible just not delivering, and that just, it breaks my heart. So that part 3 is also an apology. I'm approaching 100,000 subscribers, which I am truly happy for. I'm excited. So again, thank you, just everybody that's been so loyal to me. Thank you for making those comments. Thank you for giving me constructive criticism. Thank you for telling me I have nice eyes. I don't even know if that's even a comment, but maybe somebody has said that. Thank you for, just everything that everybody has really done for me and that has supported me. I can't say that much. I have plans to keep doing this, and I have plans to, I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping. I just needed to make this video and post it today because of literally the part 2 section, which was the apology to everybody that wasn't able to watch that tour. Man, that really breaks my heart. Like, it really does. It was a really, really nice van. It really was. So, although we didn't show any of that person's belongings in the van whatsoever, it is what it is. As you guys can tell, I'm pretty upset. So I'm going to end the video, and I want to stop thinking about that situation, and I'm going to move on to my next tour that will be coming out next week. It's a really, really cool van. And then I've got another van tour after that. And then I've got some other cool tours coming up. That is something I can tell you. I'm going to be getting into woodworking. I know that you guys have been waiting for that, but that's going to happen. Everything I said is happening. I can say that much. It just takes a little bit longer when you do it by yourself. Oh, it's funny that like Ghost 3 is gonna happen. Like that is happening. Like it's There's an upcoming video as soon as it gets approved by a sponsor. There is an upcoming video that why am I not saying words correctly right now? Anyways, the temporary Ghost 3 is a 1995 Geo tracker or tracer. I don't know, but it's a Geo tracker or tracer. I forget which one it is. My buddy Anthony here that works at the shop, he is the welder, lent me his extra vehicle. So thank you to Anthony. It's not what I envision Ghost 3 to be, but it is a temporary situation until I, get the next vehicle. But it's an interesting ride that I have. The brakes are not very good. There's no passenger seat. The muffler, yeah, it's pretty interesting. 5-speed. I heard this on another video. It's an anti-millennial theft device. Driving a manual. Oh, that was funny. If you don't know how to drive manual, please learn. It's a really good thing to do. I love manual drives. I will end you guys with a little bit of fun. How's that? Hopefully, actual Ghost 3 will be coming soon. Very, very excited for the future. But again, thank you and sorry, part 1, part 2, part 3. Later.